Now I'm gonna kick this video off with a deep, dark confession. I have had sex more than once on a first date. Then you better be telling these women they should do it too. Well, not exactly. Then you are a hypocrite. No, I'm not. Then you're clearly just sexist. You've gotta be kidding me. Look, before we pass judgment, let me explain in this video exactly why 90% of you who are watching this video should really wait to have sex on a first date. Keep watching. Now, I'll be the first to say that yes, I have had sex on a first date more than once, and most of the time it was pretty fun. But for the vast majority of you sexy single ladies watching this video, I believe that you should really wait to jump into bed with a guy. My recommendation has always been that it's worth waiting at least 10 total hours of knowing someone before jumping into bed with them. So that basically means if you've gone on a first date, it only went for a couple hours, that means you're gonna need to have a lot more time spent with that guy before you dive right into bed. And the reason why I give you this advice, even though I have had sex personally on a first date, is because the reason why you're watching one of these videos is really for one of two reasons. One is that you are looking for a long-term healthy relationship, or you're just not even sure what you're looking for yet. You definitely wouldn't be a part of the Sexy Confidence community if all you wanted was casual sex. Because I'm pretty sure you don't need any of my advice on how to get laid. Hey there. So, wanna have sex? Sure, let's do it. So since we know why it is that you're here and a part of this community, it's just best to get to know a person before jumping into bed with them. It not only is going to protect your heart, but it's also going to magnetically draw him in further and allow him time to invest himself emotionally in the relationship before it gets sexual too soon. Because in reality, when you sleep with someone that you've just met, you're really just sleeping with a stranger. And like I said, stranger sex can be fun. Every once in a while, I certainly did it, but I did it at a time of my life when that's all I wanted, when my life was not prepared for a serious relationship and I did not want one at the time. And for you sexy single ladies out there, I think it's great that women are empowered to go out and do that, and you of course have the choice to do that at any time. But just know that it drastically hurts your chances of attracting a long-term healthy companionship for one reason. When you're having sex on a first date, you're essentially killing all the sexual tension in the relationship. And sexual tension is really just when there's an unknown undercurrent in the relationship where he thinks that this might be something sexual, something could happen, but he doesn't know yet. And sexual tension is a really good thing to have, especially early on when you're getting to know someone. And really, until he is emotionally attracted to you, then the sexual tension is what is going to bring him coming back for more. So let me ask you, what has been your experience having sex on a first date? Do you regret it, or are you really happy that you went through with it? And if you enjoyed this video, I recommend you head on over to sexyconfidence.com, where I have a ton of other amazing resources that will help you through every single stage of dating, relationships, and finding love. And also, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, and also don't forget to subscribe for more videos just like this every single week. Thanks so much for watching. I'll speak to you next week, you sexy single lady. Bye-bye.